Hello guys. So today we are going for a lunch, and we are going for Dubai's most famous fish. It's last 14 years I am having it, and it's very good. I tried a lot fishes in different areas, different restaurants, but I like this one, and always it's crowded, and they have different kind of fishes. Basically, it's a catch and cook. They will go in the night time. They will catch the fishes, and daytime they will have the restaurants. So they were selling over there. Before, almost from last 14 years, before they had a small kind of a shop. They had a small stools. We will stand in the queue, and like it was very small kind of shop. But now they have big huge restaurant. Still, if you are going in a crowded hours, you have to be in a queue. So let's see. Give me a little bit time. Once I will reach over there, and then we will try to make a video from there. We withdraw some amount because they don't accept what we call that cards. So we have to pay everything in the cash. So we withdraw some amount, and now we're going. Hello, hi boss. How are you? बस कौन सा फिश है?
अमूर, शहरी, कॉपर, ब्लैक पॉम्फ्रेट एंड सो। अच्छा, कौन सा है फ्राई में? ये तीनों थोड़ा सॉफ्ट है, इसमें कौन सा है? शेरी दे दो, छोटा वाला। शेरी ये सबसे छोटा। ये उसके साथ है, ये कौन सा है? अमूर है। अमूर, शेरी। और प्रॉन्स भी दे दें, छोटा पोर्शन सबसे। साथ में राइस।
So if we check the bill, it's around 139. All prices written over there. You can see about the prawns, about fish, everything, how much kg they were charged, how much we ordered. So you can get an idea about bill, how much you have to pay. We placed our order, and it will take almost 15 to 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more. So I will show you something more as well. So you have, it's just next to beach. You will see Burj Al Arab as well, and that's the restaurant. They are making our food, and you have petrol station here. If you have boat, you can come and fuel the tanks from here. And then if you want to do jet ski and some kind of sports, water sports activities, you should visit this place. It's very amazing, and prices are very reasonable, and entrance is from that side. You can see it. So there is some signboards as well. I will share the location as well in description, so if you want to visit this place, you can visit it. We have unwanted guest as well. Is having a good swimming, enjoying. Enjoying summer actually.
So I think this guy is going for a refuel, I think. We're not using today our wide lens because I am covering my mic with that. Let's go now for our food. So order arrived. We have prawns. Actually, which spices they are using, those are number one. And then we have fish. You can see it.
पानी का बटन भी चाहिए?
हाँ, पानी भी चाहिए।
ठंडा चाहिए?
ठंडा चाहिए, बिल्कुल। We have parathas, rice, and then this fish curry, which we are going to use. Thank you. Prawns are amazing. Actually, the spices are very good. So guys, this is current situation. We almost finished everything. Guys, food has been done. Now our tummies. We break our shirt button. We are full now. You guys must try one time if you are in Dubai.